Majungasaurus, a formidable predator from the late Cretaceous period, roamed the islands of what is now Madagascar around 70 million years ago. This dinosaur, a member of the Abelisauridae family, was a carnivore with a fearsome reputation, hunting prey with speed and precision in its lush island habitat. Unlike many of its contemporaries, Majungasaurus evolved in relative isolation, developing unique traits that set it apart from other theropods of its time. Standing roughly 10 feet tall and stretching up to 26 feet in length, Majungasaurus was a relatively medium-sized predator, but it was built for efficiency and power. Its skull, wide and deep, was dominated by a set of strong, sharp teeth, perfectly suited for slicing through flesh and bone. The eyes of Majungasaurus, set forward on its face, suggest it was a skilled hunter, relying on its keen vision to track down its prey. Its robust neck and jaw muscles allowed it to deliver a powerful bite, capable of crushing bones and tearing through the tough hides of other dinosaurs. What made Majungasaurus particularly fascinating is its distinctive cranial features. The skull of this theropod was adorned with ridges and bumps, especially around the eyes and the nasal region, possibly indicating sexual dimorphism or even social signaling. This characteristic, coupled with the animal's somewhat odd, bulbous appearance, has led paleontologists to speculate that Majungasaurus may have used its head for display purposes, much like modern-day animals use their features to attract mates or establish dominance within their groups. Majungasaurus had strong, muscular legs, built for speed and agility. Its arms, although relatively small in comparison to its body, were equipped with strong, clawed hands, which may have been used to grasp prey or for balance while running. Despite their limited use in hunting, these limbs could have played a role in defense or territorial disputes, as many theropods engaged in such behaviors to assert dominance. In its environment, Majungasaurus was likely an apex predator, capable of hunting smaller herbivorous dinosaurs and other creatures that shared its island home. However, fossil evidence suggests that it wasn't above scavenging for food, making it an opportunistic feeder in times when active hunting proved less fruitful. This adaptability would have been crucial for survival on an island, where food sources could be scarce and unpredictable. The isolated island environment of Madagascar played a significant role in shaping the evolutionary path of Majungasaurus. Unlike dinosaurs in other parts of the world, which often faced the challenges of large land masses teeming with competition, the relative isolation of Madagascar allowed Majungasaurus to thrive. This isolation also led to unique evolutionary traits that we see in the species today. The abundance of smaller, more manageable prey and the lack of large predators meant that Majungasaurus could dominate its niche, adapting to its environment in ways that would not have been possible elsewhere. Fossil evidence of Majungasaurus has provided significant insights into its behavior, ecology, and even its potential for social interaction. Among the most fascinating discoveries are the numerous partial skeletons and skulls found across Madagascar, some of which have led to groundbreaking conclusions about this predator's lifestyle. These fossils suggest that Majungasaurus was a highly specialized hunter, perfectly adapted to its environment, where food sources could be unpredictable, but competition was fierce. One of the most remarkable aspects of Majungasaurus is its apparent ability to adapt to changing environments. The fossilized remains show evidence of certain skeletal traits that were not only built for speed and power, but also for maneuverability in dense forests. Unlike some of its larger theropod cousins, Majungasaurus had a shorter and stockier body, designed for quick bursts of speed rather than long-distance chases. This makes sense, considering the dense vegetation and the island environment in which it lived. The narrow, rugged terrain of Madagascar would have necessitated a more agile predator, capable of quick ambushes rather than open hunting grounds. However, what sets Majungasaurus apart from other theropods is the peculiar evidence of its potential cannibalistic behavior. Bite marks found on the fossils of other Majungasaurus individuals suggest that this species may have occasionally hunted or scavenged members of its own kind. While cannibalism is not an uncommon behavior in the animal kingdom, the extent of this practice in Majungasaurus has been a subject of much debate. Some scientists believe that such behavior may have been linked to competition over resources, particularly in times of scarcity when prey was less abundant. Others suggest that it might have been part of a larger territorial dispute, where aggressive interactions could have led to cannibalism as a last resort. Beyond its hunting habits, Majungasaurus had to contend with other predators that shared its habitat. While it was likely the apex predator on its island, other smaller carnivores, such as Majungasaurus, could have been competitors for food and territory. The presence of these smaller, faster predators may have forced Majungasaurus to adopt more opportunistic feeding strategies, scavenging or waiting for the right moment to ambush weaker prey. Fossilized evidence suggests that Majungasaurus was capable of taking down a wide range of prey, from smaller dinosaurs like Rabdodon to larger herbivores such as Hypsilophodon. The climate of Madagascar during the late Cretaceous was warm and humid, with seasonal changes that would have affected both the local flora and fauna. Rainstorms were frequent, and the vegetation could vary between dense forests and open grasslands, providing Majungasaurus with a variety of environments in which to hunt. Its well-developed senses, particularly its vision, sharp teeth, and powerful jaws, would have made it well-suited for hunting in this ever-changing environment. The adaptability of Majungasaurus allowed it to survive in these conditions, thriving in a world filled with constant challenges. However, as the Cretaceous period drew to a close, changes in climate and ecosystems began to take their toll on island species like Majungasaurus. The end of the Cretaceous saw a massive extinction event caused by the impact of a massive asteroid, which dramatically altered the Earth's climate. The effects of this event would have been felt across the globe, including Madagascar. Fossil evidence suggests that the environment of Madagascar became harsher during this period, with significant changes in vegetation and prey availability. It is believed that the changes brought about by the asteroid impact, coupled with the competitive pressure from other evolving species, may have led to the extinction of Majungasaurus. As ecosystems collapsed and food sources became scarcer, Majungasaurus, along with many other species, was unable to adapt quickly enough to survive. Its relatively small size and specialized hunting habits may have made it more vulnerable to environmental changes, leading to its eventual disappearance. Despite its extinction, Majungasaurus left behind an incredible legacy that continues to intrigue paleontologists. Its fossils have provided crucial information about life on ancient islands, where isolation and competition shaped unique evolutionary paths. The species' distinctive features, such as its bizarre cranial ridges and potentially cannibalistic behaviors, offer a window into the complex social dynamics and survival strategies of prehistoric predators. Through the study of Majungasaurus, we gain a deeper understanding of how dinosaurs adapted to their environments, interacted with each other, and ultimately faced the challenges of an ever-changing world. Majungasaurus also highlights the importance of Madagascar's ancient ecosystem in the broader context of the late Cretaceous. The island's isolation allowed for the evolution of unique species that would never have existed elsewhere. While Majungasaurus was an apex predator in its own right, the competition and challenges it faced would have pushed it to evolve in fascinating ways. Its eventual extinction, though tragic, marks the end of a chapter in the story of Madagascar's ancient biodiversity, and it serves as a reminder of the fragility of life on Earth. In the present day, the study of Majungasaurus and other prehistoric creatures continues to shape our understanding of evolutionary biology. The fossilized remains of this incredible predator provide an invaluable glimpse into the distant past, offering clues about the behavior, environment, and eventual extinction of one of the Cretaceous period's most remarkable dinosaurs.